Hello there, welcome back. Today I show you how to make this cute dress with silky fabric like this one. Simple but effective. For the top I made this pattern on folded fabric to make it more consistent. This is the line of the chest with two pleats for the best fit on the body curves. Then I've reported the measurement of the waist and connected the points with a soft curve. For the skirt, you can just draw half of the pattern and cut on the folded fabric. This is the front of the skirt. The back will be bigger just to fit the butt. Leave on the fabric enough space for the hem at the end. This is the pattern of the back and you can proceed in the same way. But here you need to add space for two pleats to make the right fit on the butt. Leave some signs on the fabric and remove the paper, then start basting the pleats and after the two parts of the top together. This is because you need to try it on before sewing, so you can be sure of the measurements. Now make the same for the skirt, baste the pleats and then the front and the back a little bit open for the zip. After you've tried everything on, you can start sewing the pleats and then the sides, always leaving space for the zip in the skirt. It's time now to sew the top with the skirt and you will obtain something like this. At the end, you have to refine the inside of the dress to make a better work. The longest part is for the straps. You can cut rectangular stripes, 2 for the shoulders, 2 for the back, and 2 for ornaments, obviously with different length depending on the measures taken. Now you need to fold and sew them inside out, leaving one of the end open, so you can turn it over at the end. Try them on the dress to see how you prefer them and how they are more supportive. I decided to put them like this so it can make the top fit in the best way. You need to add some elastic band inside the back straps. So take the right measures and with a safety pin, let it pass through and after that sew all together. It will take some time, so be patient. And that's it, the result, a cute dress perfect for summer. Hope you like it, see you next time, bye!